So news now in politics. The People's National Party is putting on a united front as the party moves into election mode. The opposition launched an island-wide tour today, but with bruises from the last PNP leadership race still fresh, no effort is being spared to show all is well in the camp.
We are united, we are strong, we are up, we're ready.
That's the image PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips is putting to the public. The party launched a 5-day all-island road tour in Harbourview, East Rural St. Andrew on Thursday. His former leadership challenger, Peter Bunting, sharing the spotlight to mend any lingering divide.
Jamaica needs rescuing now. And it don't need it from a 51% PNP or 49% PNP. It needed from 100% People's National Party.
Day one of the tour started in Harbourview, St. Andrew, with scheduled stops in Bull Bay, Yallas, Morant Bay and Port Morant in St. Thomas before ending in Port Antonio, Portland. At the beginning, PNP members chastised the JLP government for what it called chaos in several sectors.
The chaos in the education sector, a potential fallout in our economy, important issues that the JLP is not dealing with. They're just lining their pockets and the pockets of their cronies.
Opposition spokesman on security Fitz Jackson criticized the handling of Jamaica's crime problem by the Andrew Holness-led government.
The Prime Minister have taken the attitude that he and he alone can do it. And we have seen what him and him alone has delivered. More murders, more shootings, more robberies, more break-ins, and a greater level of fear.
For Dr. Phillips, the party's tour is a timely push to rescue Jamaica.
Because it is evident this year, in January 2020, that the chaos and crisis that was so evident in 2019 is continuing.
But back to the blatant divide that has been dogging the party. According to Dr. Phillips, that issue has been fixed as all candidates met on the weekend and are now united.
One of the things that came out of it is that we need to go out, all of us, the PNP need to go out together to really carry the issues to the People's National, to the people of Jamaica, and to show who we are.
Where we are now is at a sober determination to address the challenges facing this country, to demonstrate that we're an effective opposition and that we are an attractive alternative government.
The tour is to continue through the other parishes over the next 5 days.